Fish populations in Kawartha lakes are facing challenges from increased development and private ownership of the land surrounding our streams and rivers. Just steps from Lock 33 on the Trent Severn Waterway in downtown Lindsay, Kawartha Conservation staff worked with local contractors to improve fish habitat and shoreline stability along a 20-meter stretch of stream bank on Scugog River. The team removed an old brick and rebar retaining wall and restored the stream bank by regrading it to a gentler slope, reinforcing the new bank with filter fabric and river rock of varying diameters, and planting the top of the bank with 35 native trees and shrubs. As part of the project, tulip trees were among the species planted. Tulip trees are a Carolinian species. They are native to the forests of southern Ontario and grow well now in the Kawarthas. We plant Carolinian species to assist in the migration of plants whose historical range are shifting northward as they adapt to our changing climate. These new plants and habitat will reduce soil and nutrient content entering Scugog River by intercepting stormwater flow first and encouraging it to flow into the ground rather than over the roads and lawns, ultimately reducing the amount of debris being carried over and into the river.